Yeah, look at that there, man. It's coming together. It is coming together, man. Shout out to my boy George, man. He came through. He didn't even do that much talking. He just, hey, let's get it done. He told me what he needed me to do. And, man, he showed me quite a bit, but he was moving so fast. Everything that he showed me, man, I wish I would have took better notes, but we're here, baby. We here. Just for all the people that took advantage of me, talk shit to me, you know what I mean, seen me down and out, and lied to me, cheated, man. It took a lot to get here, you know what I mean? It took a lot to get here, but I appreciate my mechanic, Jamie, for building the motor. I appreciate, I can't think of the transmission man name over there in Watauga. I appreciate Zach. I appreciate Mr. Marvin. Man, I got a list of people, man, and I couldn't have done this without them. So, yeah, man, I'm going to show y'all the front of the Monte Carlo, man. And, yeah, man, like I told y'all, we probably was going to blow this front apart. And look at it. It's sitting over there. I took it apart so many times. You'll think that I'm an expert by now, but we getting it together, man. Y'all stay tuned now. Man, y'all go check out the YouTube video. Y'all see that pink popping. I'm going to have to kind of wash it down a little bit. But we working, baby. We are working. All right, so what's going on over here now is I'm disassembling the front end to make room to put the motor on in here. So what I'm trying to do is remove everything so we can get more space. So I'm finna take this part off. I'm gonna take these headlights off. I'm gonna take the rebar off. And that should give us the space that we need to get on in there. I will have to repaint this. I want this to be a lot wetter, so I'm gonna be painting this probably repainting all that again. And I may just come back up in here and do a little bit of touch up on the black and stuff. But yeah, man, we moving forward. Got my guy George, he came through, give me a hand. We're trying to find some bolts and different things. As y'all can see, we got the 700R transmission. He helped me put the kick down valve on there, the kick down cable, the tube for the oil. Be trying to figure out how we're gonna get this plate up in there. I see it's looking really good. So let me get back to doing what I need to do. I'm gonna go ahead and put this air on there so I don't have to be wasting a whole bunch of time playing around. Yep, so y'all just stay tuned, man. We gotta find them boats.
Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Biggest cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like, bumping out the booth. Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Biggest cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Jumping out the, hopping out the roof. Evacuate the truck and then I get into a demon. You know I'm about the water, I don't really need a reason. I was at the bottom with the bloods, it wasn't even.
Man, George came through. He made light work of this thing, man. Thankful to have good friends, man. Because if not, I was going to be in a bad position at the mercy of some other shop that's going to probably take advantage of me. We had a little small transmission leak, but he put that tube in there. He's able to put that kick down bolt on there. That cable. And we got to find one more part, and that's for that dipstick right there. We haven't figured out the correct threading for it. Man, this is where we at with it. This is where we at. And I did bust down the whole front end of this car. Again, took it all the way down to the rails, just to make it as easy as possible to go ahead and drop this motor in. I think that we're gonna probably use another jack, motor jack, motor hoist, some with some longer legs. But if not, we're gonna thug it out with that one. Zach and them do have a bigger one, so we'll see how that goes. But man, I'm geeked, man. I'm excited. Like I said, man, I'm just can't say it enough about how thankful I am to have good people, because I've been taken advantage of so many times in this business, and I took so many losses. But I ain't gonna sit here and have a pity party. But at the same time, it was giving me a chance to come over here and just really look at everything on this car, see how it all kind of fell. And I'm seeing the flakes, man, they are hidden. I'm talking about. And y'all see that? But what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna like Scotch Brite it and just throw a slight couple more coats of paint on top of it, and then go ahead and re-clear it, man. Because I believe that now that I have majority of the parts painted, just a little bit more, I might just be able to just like lightly Scotch Brite it and just throw a couple mist coats on it. And that's what I plan to do. See, y'all are seeing though that right there, I'm gonna have to drop that air pressure down to get up in there. And it's crazy how on this side I was having such a hard time, and on that side, not so much. But as y'all can see, it's kind of hard to tell, man. This paint is doing something, man. And you know, got a lot of good feedback from everybody that did see pictures of it, and I appreciate the support, man. I really do. So y'all just stay tuned, man. We got this 82 Camaro, and we got Project Acting Bad, my 86 Monte Carlo SS, coming out really soon. So y'all just stay tuned.
Staying low key, ways luxury, how you seen them? Got me looking like a model by the front, it's my demeanor. Here at the location, and I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm trying to